Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. This is the new videos. Is an amazing video from Somalia. This is Somali girls. They are really doing amazing dance with wig and amazing beautiful girls from Somalia. If you really like these Somali girls, they have really good face and body. If you like, so make sure you subscribe my channel. You are watching our reaction video, and my name is Na. So let's check out.
Siri, why am I single?
Maybe if you'd stop being a stupid bitch and reply to the people that actually show interest in you instead of chasing someone that you know is gonna break your heart.
Okay.
sida ahaan u dhagaystay sawdkaha haaga wanaagsan codkaha haad sixir moodid ayaahan ku sakhraamay sida ahaan shutturur ma baby shutturur ma bela shutturur sayurita shutturur يا قلبي تعالي جنبي هن حسسني إن في الجنة ترى غالية علي عشت الحلاوة الشقاوة والحلاوة يلا هي عطرني وعشقيني يلا علوذي عقليكي الله انتكي الله
Oh, beautiful. Oh,
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है तूने हवा में भांग मिलाया रुकना नशा क्यों हो रहा है आंखों से मीठा तू देखे
break dance. Oh.
Hey, kun maderna, kun lamina maderna, inan ku kol ya gaba, la fantana wanka dabola, hey ki.
now put your hands up up in the up in the up in the up in the up
Wow, amazing. Wow. So guys, this is really amazing dance. I really enjoy it. These all girls from Somali, they are really amazing dance. It's amazing. If you can enjoy, you can also subscribe my channel for more video and for more reaction. This is all girls is really amazing and they are really beautiful. Some hijab girls, some are have they are really good face and good body. So must subscribe. So love you all. Take care. Bye bye.